Nyame adom or the name swatch.
Yeah. On say as a original board no match kakra.
Yeah, of course.
My name said last week or last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Sitting in Arsenal at the bomb match no.
Yeah.
And I'm my word cookie.
You know. And then they be and tonight football didn't know idea. Football didn't know idea.
Gabi, me person me bisa a question way before I start. Do you think say Arsenal for beating Aje league?
But say Arsenal ya we did woman. Okay, so what I believe in here say
you're funny from this angle. Say omni Fulham be boy ne.
Yeah.
Omu West Ham away.
Okay.
Now omni Burnley abo home. Then they will go away to Palace. Who share on the face of these fixtures? Do you think that Arsenal can grind results and win or take maximum points from Omu games? I
think so. Maybe at 9-10 points.
9-10 out of a possible 12.
Yeah.
And yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now sitting so.
City no.
On say Omu outstanding, proper outstanding no against Palace. So into no the Omu decided date no.
So Palace.
But Monday only Everton bebo. Only Brentford bebo home. Now I call away to Bournemouth. And so only Villa every home. Into Omu so. What do you think?
So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 points.
Yeah.
You see from the whole board, you know, said I am tempted to believe that City Beji. Yeah.
So it means that to you they can grind the results and get maximum points from games.
Yeah, from the Omu game not done Arsenal at the end.
Gabi, our position is not too different from what I've always believed.
Okay.
And I'll give you one simple reason why. Ushe on the face of these games, sir. Arsenal have 3 London derbies in there. Then aside that, no, only West Ham, Bebo or London Stadium. West Ham is also trying to survive relegation. Say between West Ham and Tottenham, one has to go. Both teams are traditional Premier League teams. Say you see, say Tottenham, after all the things that they have done, almost the stadium Fufro spent over £1 billion on that stadium. Not only the Kobo Championship. Look at West Ham and so they have a traditional, fan base, very passionate about football. Now also the co-relegation. So when you look at that game, to me, we want to say if Arsenal will drop points, it will be in that game.
Okay.
Because even though they have the superiority over West Ham will come into that game with the intention, say we have to get at least 1 point. It's maybe 1-1 with us now. To us, it's a major thing. Because in the fight against relegation, it be now 1 point. But we share Pep Guardiola, any Man City, any momentum on build as I say, I bet down side now. You look closely at Everton away, Brentford home, Bournemouth away, Aston Villa home. It doesn't look to me as if say they will fancy a slip, even drawing one of the games in there. Because and then Obeko Everton away, Hill Dickinson. Yes, Pep Guardiola, no. When situations like this happen, that is when he comes up and motivated players. No, and if there's any manager who knows how to play the run-ins well, remember Pep Guardiola. So the situation at hand there, Gabi. Yes, Arsenal right now, I'm about 34. They have 73 points, but Manchester City, knowing very well, said this is the kind of situation that they want to put themselves in. They want to grind the results. They want to get the wins. They want to get the results. Pep Guardiola and so only the boys know how they are playing football, right? And they don't have so much pressure. Arsenal are also playing the Champions League. A lot of rest and a lot of concentration to focus on games that's for Man City.
Now, before so be moving, for Arsenal, our matches now Akano.
Yeah.
Points to do say now you think say Arsenal beat me and you from those matches now, then you do seem to City, then you move on.
If you ask me, Gabi, I think Fulham,
okay,
they'll get the result in the Fulham game. Because you are playing at home, you are playing at the Emirates. You don't want to repeat performance at only Bournemouth. Bournemouth 2-0. in your own backyard. So they want to correct some of those things. It's I think they'll get the maximum. The West Ham game, I'm going to say you're member draw.
Okay, so acquire 4 points.
So that's 4. Burnley at home, Burnley they own himself relegation So they'll grab the 3 points but they at Emirates.
Not 7. No.
Palace, that's the last game of the season. I'm sure if it goes down to the wire, they'll be required to win that game at Selhurst Park.
Okay.
Because when you win that game now, there's no way you can win the league.
So then about 10 points.
So they can get 10 points from here. On this side, City will win Everton game.
Okay.
They'll beat them at Hilde Kissing comfortably.
So they are 3 points.
But Brentford at home, clear. They'll kill them at home.
Okay.
Then away at Bournemouth. A bit tricky kakra, but I think they can get the maximum result over there.
So 9 points.
9. Aston Villa on the final day, I think will also be exactly like how Arsenal for Bayer. They want to win that game because if you don't win that game, the likelihood of you winning the league very low. Then the outstanding game against Crystal Palace at home, so the Omunian decided date. I think they'll win that one. So they're getting at least 15 points
straight out.
That's what I think.
So then, Oman winning league, Anna.
Instead of Namakadebia, I honestly think that now that the chance has been given to Man City, there is no way they will allow who say Arsenal will come and bypass them again. And Nhyira, Mikel Arteta himself knows say the situation is very difficult for Arsenal. But Gabi, and again, it's not to say the Mabubosono. Brentford, West Ham is in a relegation fight. Wolves, Sunderland, Sunderland is trying to get the result because they can get European football, whether it is Conference League or Europa League. So what you say? The Newcastle and Brighton, match in kakra because Newcastle they have not been themselves lately, right? And when you look at sentiments, Anthony Gordon looks like since the neighbor area he will go. Sandro Tonali, so Manchester United chasing, right?
Juve and so
chasing, right? And team now injuries kakra Bruno Guimaraes. A number of games they won boy. So you can tell for a fact say Newcastle almost team kakra has been stolen away. Brighton, Utie Fabian Hezela, almost say a lot of strategies from other sports. It tells you the kind of intensity injecting in their game, and they've stolen good points from big teams this season. Into Oshulana, Osaka Kalika, Utimu said, why ready pan say a settima or more, you can say that this game they will try and get the result over there at home at the St. James's. But Arsenal and Fulham, I've already told you, say Arsenal will get the maximum result over there. Yes, the mentality problem is what is Arsenal's problem, Cecilia Gabi. Tactics, they have learned all of that throughout the season. But when it comes to 5 more games to go, 3 more games to go, 4 more games to go, Arsenal don't want to put themselves in a situation where now they have lost concentration. Can be the last time Arsenal a 5 point. Therefore, say the last time Arsenal almost topping the table. Omentimi unwinning league with 5 games to go was 2002-2003. Now then they see that season they were on top of the league and they were even winning champions.
Okay.
And they wasn't committing winning almost games that can 5 so they can win the league. Manchester United and they got the points and then they couldn't maintain the momentum and they lost it. Gabi, in the last few seasons we have seen it. How Arteta have blown the cover and he has allowed Manchester City Liverpool to take the trophy away from him. This season, a lot of it is down to concentration. And Omabisa Openyi Bakubia Wakanasem. See, in that moment, all that matters is that you are going head to head with a local rival. So the bigger picture almost dissolves. And then Omni Fulham they will approach the game as if it was a London derby. And rightly so. Because Omni Fulham it's a London derby. But you have also forgotten say you are trying to grind results to win the league. So I'm sure now Omar 2 sides. But the concentration must be on getting the points, which is what they must focus on. So what you say, and that can be a great thing, or it can be a damaging, depending on how you process what that means. It's Arsenal from the ball is in their court. However they want to see it, it depends on them because they also need the result to give them confidence going into second leg of Champions League or Atletico Madrid Emirates. So it's a very big thing for Arsenal. also meeting prepare for what they want to do. Now, this is a very interesting thing, Gabby. Since Arsenal last won the league, 04-05, yes, and Ocean year, yes, Apple have released over 50 different editions of the iPhone since Arsenal last won the league. Yes, Lamine Yamal was born and has now played over 100 plus games for Barcelona. Yes, approximately over 2 billion people have been born worldwide since that time. And Chelsea have appointed 24 different managers since Arsenal last won the league. It's Gabi. You can tell, say, there's a lot of pressure on Mikel Arteta and in the here to change the narrative. So at least in your way, almost 3 or and also between
Mana Moyama Papa pressure, but the Zanima we are calculating in a day. Now come on, as a mom, Arsenal for some pressure beer.
They won't say, say, I do not be motivated to win. Oh, Biaji to me say, this is the time Arsenal should be winning.
Yeah, of course.
But if Arteta, you can sit down and allow Pep Guardiola to marshal his boys to come and pass you again. And now the discussion is that as a Musu and Berinier. We have to remind you, say, the last time you won, this is all the things that have happened in the world. It's also okay, come home. Now, it's really league edition nice. So now, I'm moving from us now. Now, Menko a year Fulham. And then, we say, one big thing for Fulham is that the reason why they can get a very good result, or the reason why they will think, say, getting a good result in this game against Arsenal, good, no, and they say, they want to fight to play Europe.
Yeah. Conference
League or Europa League. So we are in a fight, a big fight for with many teams for the European places. That's according to Marco Silva. And also by in the news. In Crawford Castle, Chelsea, Dumano, in 24% Dumano. But right now his focus is on Fulham and how they can finish in Europe. Because so table you can see very well say Fulham is 10th, 48 points. Right? Only Chelsea will equal on points.
Yeah.
It will not be a grab even a draw against Arsenal. They can climb and come to 49 on 7th place.
Yeah,
and that is a very good result.
Yeah.
And they can play the Conference League. Yes, I can agree, say, Arsenal would win the game comfortably. But Marco Silva, the reason why they all can say, he wants to see Fulham try and see what they can do, get the results and play Europe. And also, every Fulham for Australia and the Airba. Now, look at another game. As for now, the Leeds United, I think they are clear on best survival relegation.
No? Okay.
But Gabi, the thing is that when you look closely down the league table, Premier Liga, Tottenham 34, West Ham 36, Nottingham Forest 39. Do you think that Nottingham Forest would come down? Because now it looks like West Ham and Tottenham and air fighting 34, 36.
Yeah.
And they are going up and down. But Nhyira, do you think Tottenham have what it takes to survive? Because maybe win a year crown.
So this year we buy about 2 matches, right?
That's the same.
First one was a draw, then the second one was winning.
Yeah.
Zabina and Kaminim in the character and then the charisma Ikurano and then the kind of an approach to the matches are. They are minimum no different Premier League ni media or quite our France and or dear badia. Not the players, no. Etina say in a bit way crana, I think will be to survive.
But you agree with me that he came at the wrong time.
Yes, I agree.
And the injuries haven't helped him.
Yeah, I agree.
And then now so you be saying or Carson or say he can sense that the players are afraid, but he wants them to because I'm saying games need.
I don't know you to me say
but he wants to. Gabi, that is where I feel very sad for Tottenham.
Okay.
Because yes, one can agree say injuries are harm, but Deserbi once Tottenham goes to relegation, it damages the reputation. Yes, he wasn't the one in charge throughout the season, but the public perception and they say once you have come in, you should turn the situation around. When people would begin to say all sorts of things. Say, now crowd went and now it affects some of the clauses on the contract because your mother saying relegation and they will give him a huge bonus. Okay. But now, if relegation see that bonus, and And now you have to modify the contract of most of the players. Because I'm sure most of them will also want to go.
Yeah.
It's a totally unfortunate situation, no. Me only but Gabi, I think they will go. Yeah. Because Usha, only one Premier League club has been relegated with over 40 points in the 21st century. That's West Ham United. And the season was 01-02. Sorry, 02-03 season. With over 40 points. If they will go on relegation, they go with lesser points. 39 and below.
Okay.
So what you say? It looks like Tottenham Hotspur. I mean, I don't know. It's a very unique situation. And say they will not be able to survive this thing, knowing very well, say they have everything that they should have had to be able to survive. But at least with 27 players injured there, it's very difficult to see how that can work well for them. Like there's another big game this weekend between United and Liverpool. But some microphone I don't know why. The idea is that there's nothing really at stake in that game. Because Oshema United are on our top 5. Liverpool are our top 5. What exactly would they want to play for? Maybe it's the bragging rights. Maybe Man United will feel or person Liverpool. Now Crawford hey, at least Michael Carrick or Benya some bonus to say yes, Liverpool is waiting channel. But and it's not going over there to Old Trafford. No. Maybe you would want to say he would want to win more. Because yes, Omar reposed confidence in him. Liverpool for say he will continue next season. But he has not really had a very good season. The way Obepe Amano. So what you say? And so when you have a game like this, there's nothing really at stake, but you want to go and try and get the victory. And Mohamed Salah also is in his final moments at Liverpool. So you want to give him the opportunity to also showcase what he has. Lastly, maybe in the last game of Old Trafford, Intika, Omoko Old Trafford, you now starting Mohamed Salah. Then you can see what he can also get for Liverpool in that game. But this game, banana skin kakramami. But if you want to stick my neck out, I think Man United beat me. We need so much, no. And when you have Obi to say Alexander Isak in the absence of Hugo Ekitike, at least almost beat me up for the last remaining games to build some momentum for himself. Obia Obit Media World Cup and also for next season. Now, Ushe lineup now. I wouldn't be too surprised. Said they will keep up the same lineup. That's Manchester United, right? Or the Lamens Bebo, Diego Dalot, Harry Maguire, Eden Heaven, and Patrick Dogu. Then Kobe Menu, Casemiro has signed a contract recently. Something that he'll be very happy about because Ruben Amorim buy no when you be ambo. But suddenly his fortunes have turned overnight. Michael Carrick by inside. He has given him the opportunity was sign a contract. So you can tell for a fact that Michael Carrick openasem kakra. And you allow him to play. Then in front, Amad Diallo, Bruno Fernandes, Brian Mbeumo, and Benjamin Sesko. I expect say Man United should be able to get the win with this kind of lineup. But Usha Liverpool, me I would have fancied the number of changes. Typically, Chiesa side ho. To say the market, I would really expect saying Kabema Mohamed Salah. Because Mohamed Salah is in his few games left with Liverpool. It's Manimbo. So that you can enjoy him for the last time before he goes. Chiesa mo there some more.
Don't think you say a injury now the last time or have you and maybe they think say
one person protecting the tackle. That's true. And on say when a player like that comes out to say Abia Mimbo after the season I'm going, maybe another thing say his passion has died down a bit. So you want to carry the players who are ready and fit and are prepared, even mentally, to go and play that game. So I also think and believe say Abia that is what and slot doing home. But Oshomo lineup now is not too bad. Andy Robertson also Obefio at the end of the season, but you expect him to play Van Dijk, Konate, Enna Curtis Jones, McAllister, Enna Soboslai in Finfio, then Cody Gakpo, Florian Wirtz, Chiesa, and then Alexander Isak up front. But said the market, I expect Man United to finish the game with a win. Now, Mason Mount is Wakasa. Also next season we can win the Premier League. I know they mean the ABA or Madrid Kakra and then see what they can do over there. Gabi, Mamiyan intention because there are games in the La Liga as well. Barcelona and Osasuna. Barcelona beko away. Now I think at this point, Barcelona know that once they win that game, everything is sealed for them in terms of somebody winning La Liga. Except say Real Madrid cannot also win their game against Mallorca. But anything can happen. both teams can win, and then maybe it will have to go to next week for them to see how the La Liga will finish. But said the marking, Real Madrid did themselves a disservice. Yes, maybe they didn't plan so well for the season. They will have themselves to blame. Already known, Komobi Koso Florentino Perez say or Peso Kofa Jose Mourinho Eba. People are reacting to that news. But as to how they will shape up for next season, it is in their own hands. They have to be able to solve their problems and know, say, hey, Bia, we should have waited. The World Cup is coming. World Cup, no, we can see whether any other manager will be interested in the job. But and now say Jose Mourinho say he has not been contacted, or at least from what we know, no, Jose Mourinho has not been. It's just that his name has been thrown into the ring. Say it's likely that he will become the next manager for Real Madrid. And yes, on say to say they're marking Barcelona. If they win against Osasuna, it will be very clear that they will win the league. But they have other games against Real Madrid, Alaves, and Real Betis before they finish the league off with a game against Valencia over there. Now, Hansi Flick, one of the things that I really like about Hansi Flick, especially with the season coming to an end, and he said he has been very consistent with the kind of footballer Pesobo. One would have expected, say, because he plays the high line, he has become exposed in certain games. People were able to score certain goals. If he had dropped the high line, he could have prevented those goals. But he stuck with his philosophy, and he managed to get Barca team very young. And even though they weren't able to spend so much, they were able to just get loan players, to say Lewandowski, or to say Marcus Rashford, right? And they are trying to see if they can seal the deal for him even permanently. But he was able to get the best out of them to win a league. You know, it's one thing I will forever remember Hansi Flick for in this particular season on Barcelona. And a very successful campaign. Now, and then Rafinha is coming back. Whether he'll be ready for this game is not too clear, but ultimately he has started training, and it's good news for Barcelona because they know that if they have a player like Rafinha back, it can help their fortunes going into the remaining games. He will come in and play good football. They can score goals and get the result. Obi said Christensen so back from injury. Now, one other thing very interesting to me, Gabi, and they say Barcelona a second team, and this is a very interesting statistic because we should hear them who say, okay, there's something in there. Goals from the bench. Teams are only the most goals from the bench. Bayern Munich etosu number 1, and Barcelona etosu number 2. Bayern had 18 goals from the bench this season, and Barcelona 17 goals from the bench this season. And it should tell you something. Say, when the game progresses from first half into second half, team are ultimately marshal in terms of momentum and mentality. These are the teams. Because sometimes say even if you are down and you are going to the second half to come and turn the game around and score more goals. But Bayern Munich this season and the kind of football they've played 2 weeks ago, we saw how they win game 4-3 after coming 3 goals down to score 4 goals in the second half. So it tells you something. Say Bayern Munich, Barcelona at the highest level, their mentality and their consciousness and their awareness, getting goals from the bench this season. Now, me the Real Madrid for the baby. I say Real Madrid omune Espanyol and Ebebo this weekend. Yes, one would say the season is over for Real Madrid. They are going trophyless. But Gabi, one thing that I'll say about Real Madrid, and they say Real Madrid need to still count this season as a blessing for themselves, because at least on what me and who said they have made certain mistakes, and those mistakes cannot be compensated for just having big names in your team. Yes, you have a player like Kylian Mbappe or Jude Bellingham or team. You have all the big names, but if you don't do the fundamental things well, and later you will think say you were entitled to something and you didn't get it.
Okay.
Because look at Abel inside. Vinicius Jr. He has been getting his goals and assists. He didn't get the same one that Xabi Alonso. So that I say in terms of performance wise. So if they want to make an appointment and also make some person Abelo if you are person appointing new manager there, you have to think about it carefully. So number one, is it only about the experience? Because Jose Mourinho and the experience is there. But is that the only thing that Real Madrid need as a team now to remain competitive both in the La Liga and also in the Champions League next season? Because yes, after this disastrous season, no, one would agree also say going into next season you want to go with a mindset of we need BBR. But is Mourinho the man? Maybe Sammy, I really don't think so. Because Mourinho, no, yes, he has his own flaws, but generally, no, Obia Betias, he said Mourinho, his best days are over. So if you don't allow Abelard to do the job, then it means another manager will have to come in. Now, I didn't ben a person Modeba. If you Obia Kase, someone to be setting the right pace for Jurgen Klopp, so on Jumaya, he will come in, and if you give him what he requires, he'll be able to do the work at Real Madrid very well for you.
Okay.
But as to whether Obebano, and also a different question. Gabi Edibesio.
Okay.
Na ya told you median so.
Well, Joshua Olotu na mo tell nka wata the cardboard no so jo ya na asepa na yamra na fi yamra medi nkomo na aka nyina